Beating my heart 'cause it's freaking out.
Time for 96.7 Yes FM Entertainment News.
So what's the going rate for getting beat up by Kanye West? How much do you get for that?
About $250,000.
Okay.
Not a problem. Yeah, apparently Kanye beat up a kid in the waiting room of a Beverly Hills chiropractor, and he paid out $250,000 to keep him from pressing charges. This is a guy who hurled apparently racial slurs at Kim Kardashian. The DA now has to decide whether to press charges against Kanye, but without the kid's cooperation, the case is pretty much dead. Like, he paid what the kid wanted, so
Right.
I wouldn't press charges if Kanye paid me $250,000.
Well, then you put the celebrity clause in there too, and it doesn't happen. Like this guy, Justin Bieber, he's got a date for Valentine's Day. He probably won't go anyways.
No, he's gonna be arraigned on Valentine's Day. That's very romantic. Of course, that's in connection to his recent DUI arrest. Although he won't be required to be in court for the arraignment.
He won't be.
Okay. Meanwhile, Radar Online is saying that Bieber told his manager, Scooter Braun, that he wants to take a break from music and touring to open a high-end tattoo parlor with his dad. Won't happen. Even the head of his record label said Bieber needs help and an intervention to take pressure off of him so he can get things together. It's entirely likely that he will take a break, but I don't think it's going to last very long. And he's not going to open a tattoo parlor.
But he is looking at moving out of Calabasas into the suburbs. I believe there's some nice houses out, say, Lisbon, Madrid.
We'll rent
DeKalb.
cheap.
Yeah, big house. You can build a big one. Big one in Herman.
$12,000 a month.
No one will be able to find it.
No.
Yeah. Come on, Bieber. You can put your tattoo parlor there, too.
I do need some new ink.
See what you just heard or any part of the Mers in the Morning Show now. Get the link at yesfm.com for the Yes FM YouTube channel. 96.7 Yes FM.